Hello and welcome back to the Fashion Magazine. I hope you missed us. Today we are going back with very interesting topic, and I know everyone gonna like this. Today we're doing the second part of the 3 must-have accessories. Before I start, I would like to thank everyone for the great ideas we received, the criticism as well, the good support, and I'm so happy today that everyone have enjoyed that video. So today we're gonna go back with many ideas since everyone liked it, and we're gonna leave you the video so you can watch it if you haven't watched part 1. So stay with us. All right, let's start with number 1. I would like to start with the hair accessories, and specifically I would like to dedicate a lot of time to talk about hair. First of all, I think we should change the mentality. To make a change, we have to dye our hair and bleach it and eventually damaging. Maybe this year we need to take a break and start investing our money on accessories, sustainable of course, and we can wear them and style them as we want. So the first thing I would like to talk about is hair clips, and I think those ones are brilliant. Why? Because you can wear them and style them, and they are suitable for any hair type. You can wear them also on clothes, and you can tell here we have picked, to be more precise, the Versace show. And if you want to be more inspired, you have to go to the Versace show and watch. You will see how much they put in value the hair. They always do something for the models with their hair. Also, I would like to say that those ones they're going to be blink if you like that, or you have events in the night and you don't want to go to the hairdresser and do your hair. It's just enough to put in nice clips or a nice accessory in your hair. Also, you can put up with them some nice jewelries and you will like very original, very classy. And also, I'd like to highlight that you don't have to have a long hair. You don't have to have any type of hair. Actually, you can choose whatever works with you. We have spoken in part 1 about the gold, how it's very important this year. So if you want to pick up something, my advice for you, try to pick something gold. I think they are very inspired by the Italian culture, and you know, Italian women, they're amazing. So they wear a lot of this kind of things to go for a coffee, and I can imagine you girls going in the night or going out to drink a coffee afternoon. I like to talk always and include all type of women. So if you want to have something brilliant, try to find something that could go with all your outfits. And also you can pick up something, maybe you have it at home and you haven't used it. The ones that I would like to avoid this year are the pearls one. We had enough for 3 years. I mean, come on. The pearls ones are done. So if you have anything pearls, just keep it, or maybe you can style it in a different way. I don't know about this, but avoid them this year. It's not, because this year is about being very classy. And I've said before, avoid labels. You don't have to buy something very expensive. And also avoid putting a lot of efforts on your clothes. Just put more efforts on the accessories you're wearing, and you will see it will actually upgrade your game. All right, moving to the next accessory, I would like to talk about the hair bows or hair clips, because they are available in different styles. And I think if you buy them as clips, you can easily do your hair. We're not all professional. So this is actually kind of like merging your type of clothes together. So if you want to have an accessory for each type of outfit you have, you can buy one like this. So this is like going from the edgy, sexy girl to the soft, mysterious girl. And I think they're very nice to go to work. And also, my recommendation, if you want to take it into consideration, you need to go to the most thin ones. Don't go to the big bows, because they are a little bit vulgar and they will hide your beauty. So you want to go to something very thin, very discreet, let's say. I hate the summer, girls, and I think the summer you need to always put your hair up. So you don't want to look very like not stylish. You want to put something and add a taste on yourself. So I think those ones will look amazing, and I would like to try them. I'm going to try them. I don't know about you girls, but I'm gonna try them this year because I think they're very elegant, soft, and we have different occasions, so we don't want to look the same in each occasion. Number 3 is the bandanas. Please encourage me to wear them, because I want to wear them, but I don't see people wearing that in the streets. Why? Why not? I think this year we have to be together and try to do something different. And I always want to say that we're trying to take care of ourselves. And in the summer, you don't want to use hair dryers that much. You don't want to bleach. You don't want to wash your hair all the time because it gets damaged. So maybe you need to do something funky. And if you want to wear something that pop up your hair, you want to have a blondie hair, maybe you can buy yellow bandanas. It will change everything for you. And also, if you don't like them very funky styles, you can go for a more classy style. It goes with your outfits. You want to wear them around the neck neck, you can wear them back in your hair and they will look very nice. And I think for me, I would wear them back. I wouldn't wear them around the neck, but I think with very nice earrings, they will look very, very cute. And especially in the summer, you want something to take your hair up so you can really avoid having a messy hair or getting sweaty. So those are the best choices, to be honest. The color, any color works, to be honest. So please do that. Do it for me this year. I want to see you in the streets wearing those ones. Also, I would like to mention they look very nice for the girls who wants to take pictures on the beach. You want to look very classy. You don't want to look very normal and you want to have your own style. And you can wear them, go to the beach and then go to drink a coffee. Your hair will be very fixed. You don't have to think about it and you're ready to go. All right, let's move for the style of berets, la parisienne, like we say, because this is a very Parisian style and they are going with us to the spring this time and also the summer, because based on the fashion shows we have seen, they are very stylish, especially if you have a fringe or you have a very short hair, you want to put your sunglasses and wear them, they will look amazing. You can tell we have chosen a couple of pictures for you, and also the male one, you can wear them. If you have one from your partner or from your husband or from your father, you can pick up. I like the classic vintage ones, they are nice, and these are vintage, by the way, so they will put a lot of taste and a lot of classiness on your style. So pick up one that goes well with your face. I always say I don't want anyone to do something just for fashion, but if you're looking to change and you haven't tried this one, maybe you should. Who knows, maybe it works with you. Okay, talking about the hairbands, I think those ones are very flexible for working moms or going to the gym, or you want to wear them, and especially if you bought a very nice sunglasses and you want to put the sunglasses in value. You don't want your hair to cover your face. And if your sunglasses are big, you don't want that to cover your face because we're not gonna see anything. Today, they try to style them as a vintage, let's say golden ones, your classy, your old money vibes, but you can style them as you want. And the better ones, to give you more recommendation, are the garment ones, the black, the white, the gray. You can buy a lot of them, they're very cheap. And actually, if you feel like not doing your hair, you can wear them, put nice earrings, a very nice lipstick, and you're ready to go. I love those ones. And we picked Bella Hadid because if you want, she wears a lot of that and you can go get inspired of it. I love them, to be honest. I don't have very good hair days sometimes and I would like to change, so why not? Okay, enough talking about the hair. Let's move for the sunglasses. I find it very hard for us to find the right shape. But this year, before I start, I would like to talk about the cube or the big sunglasses. They're not the vibe this year. And I don't want to say I hate them, but to give you more nicer and softer recommendation, try to avoid those ones because they cover your face. You cover your eyebrows, your eyes, and they cover everything. You don't want to walk on the street wearing two frames. I mean, sorry. But for this year, what you have to do is try to find something that goes with your face from those styles that they are available, and they are kind of inspired by vintage 90s and 80s styles when women started to be very edgy and having very bold personalities. So the first one I would like to start with is the cat eyes. This year they are thinner, more soft, and they are very nice when it's in black with very thin arms, and you can wear them with different outfits as well. I would like also to talk about the bat shape. Those ones are very nice as well. We have seen many of stars wearing those ones for over the decades, and they're here to stay. So if you're gonna invest your money and you want to buy nice sunglasses this year, and I know they're not cheap, so you would like to choose something that goes with your face. Don't pick up something that goes with the trend or the fast fashion, because every time you wear those sunglasses and they look gorgeous on you, everyone will compliment you. And the other side of these ones, they have been popular since last year, is the geometric ones, and they are having very nice arms. Sometimes the arms are accessorated by gold. We have seen that on Versace, we have seen that on Gucci, we have seen that with different brands so far. And I like those ones because they are very practical, and it's like something that's gonna be very popular, like the Ray-Ban shapes. So avoid the frames, as I said before, they're over. Even the celebrities avoid them today because you hide all your face. We just see nothing, and I don't like that. All right, we move for section 3. We would like to talk about the bags. This year is more about the different stages of the moon. I will start with the crescent shape, and this is very popular for this year and for the next 3 years, because I know they will do more efforts to style them in different ways when it comes for advertising or the different houses. So if you want to pick up something like that, try to pick up something that goes also with your night events. It could be the green, the soft green. Olive green is very popular this year. The gray, we have spoken about this one in different video. And also you want to go for the cube edgy ones. They are a different shape of a moon. And those ones are nice in black. They are nice also in red. And they are very delicate, so you can take them with you for a daily event mostly, and you can put an accessory if you want. If you don't want to have a label, you can do your own label and make it original. And I like when people do something unique and goes with their personality. And the next one we're going to talk about it is the cubes, the soft ones, of course. Those ones are here to stay. They have been here for years, but if you have one you haven't worn for a long time, it's time to bring it back to your outfits, and they are very nice. Or if you have ones of vintage, it's something you should take the opportunity to wear this year. The other thing I would like to talk about them is the small or the long cubes, the Hermes styles. They are available in different brands as well, and you can pick up someone. This one's for more official occasions. If you don't have this kind of occasions, you don't have to spend that money on it, but those ones are very nice in burgundy, in brown and gray. Why? Because you give them value. They look very expensive, very chic, and I think this is nice styles. You never get rid of it. You never get bored of it, because you can wear them. They goes with everything, and they're here to stay. So if you're willing to buy something expensive, avoid the color red, because you're gonna get bored of it. And believe me or not, this color will be popular for this year and maybe next year, but then you cannot wear it anymore. So when it comes to bag, always try to choose something very soft, very unique, and you can wear it with different outfits. You don't want to buy something in yellow or green and then end up not having anything, unless if you have many black outfits and you want to pop up that color or make it more fun and easy to attract, you can buy something with those risky colors, to be more specific. All right, we comes to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. I did enjoy making this video for you. Please leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. Our next video will be about the popular vintage styles, because we have been asked for it, so we're gonna do it. Thank you for spending time with us. A lot of kisses from the fashion magazine. See you soon, and stay tuned, girls. Take my recommendation. Bisous bisous.